In today's video, I will walk you through how to view the order book on WhiteBIT. The order book is one of the most useful tools available on the WhiteBIT trading interface. It displays the current buy and sell orders for a trading pair, giving you a real-time view of market activity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding how to access the order book can help you better monitor price movements and market liquidity. To begin, open your WhiteBIT account and navigate to Trade, then click Spot. From there, select the trading pair you want to view. Once the trading page loads, you'll see several panels containing market information, charts, and trading tools. Order book section updates continuously as traders place, modify, and cancel orders. The information shown reflects the latest activity for the selected trading pair. The order book is divided into two sections. One side displays sell orders, often called asks, while the other side displays buy orders, also known as bids. Each row shows the price, the amount available at that price, and the total value of the orders. As you watch the order book, you'll notice that the values change in real time. New orders appear, existing orders are filled or cancelled, and prices move as market conditions change. This live information allows you to observe how buyers and sellers are interacting at any given moment. If you switch to a different trading pair, the order book automatically updates to display the buy and sell orders for that specific market. This allows you to compare activity across multiple trading pairs without leaving the trading interface. And that's how to view the order book on WhiteBIT.